say Selenium class 27, page object model in Selenium. Oh, see, this chapter also related to writing Selenium test cases. First, POM, page object model. We have another form in Maven, that is project object model, that we will discuss later. Now, page object model. Page object model is an object, software object. Example, edit box, button, etc. Object or element. Say this terminology may vary from one environment to another. In UFT, Unified Functional Testing Format QTP, in UFT we use object top, in Selenium element. Both are synonyms. See, object or element design pattern to create object repositories. To create object repositories. Do you have any idea about object repositories? Hi, Pranati. Object repositories in automated testing?
No, sir.
Okay, cool. What about you, Farhan Khalil? Do you have any idea about object repositories in automated testing? Not only in Selenium. You take RFT, Silk Text, any tool. They have object repositories.
So basically, sir, we can store our data in one place, so we can retrieve whenever we need it. We don't have to rewrite the code.
Data, not data. Storing data, retrieving data, reusing data, not data. Okay, Komalata, any idea about object repositories?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, tell me.
Morning, sir. I think I heard about these object repositories in UFT, wherein you can reuse the code.
Not code, not data.
Program, sir.
Reusing object information.
Yes, sir. Information of yes, sir. Object
information. Not reusing the code or data. For reusing the code, we use functions.
Yes, sir.
We use functions. But for reusing element info or object info, we use object repositories. Observe Sai Pranati, put mute. So background nice from you. Observe Sai Pranati. So far we created some test cases, and we didn't store that object or element information in a centralized location. For every test case, we inspected elements and created element information in our test cases. That is hard coded. If you do like this, what will happen? No reusing of objects or elements information correct. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Observe one small example, Sonu Pathak. Suppose we are creating 3 or 4 test cases using login page of admin interface. Suppose admin login functionality, that is one test case. Next, verify the error message, that is one test case. Next, admin login functionality, that is one test case. Next, fourth one, page redirection functionality from admin to user after login. For these 4 test cases, username edit box, password edit box, login button information is required, isn't it? Sonu Pathak.
Sir.
For these,
yes, sir.
For these 4 test cases, we use in admin login functionality. We need to operate username edit box, password edit box, and login button. For verifying error message, negative test case, these three elements required. Okay, some more elements required, suppose error message element. But these three are common. Suppose page redirection functionality after login. For this test case also, these three elements required. In addition, online catalog link also required. Next, admin login functionality. These three elements required. Additionally, that error message element required. Suppose if you don't use object repositories, for every test case, you need to provide that element information, username, password, login button, element information in every test case. Suppose if you create object repository, then you can reuse element info. Once you create object repository, then you can reuse that element info for multiple test cases. That is one advantage. Reusability of elements information. That is one advantage. Second advantage, centralized maintenance of elements. Suppose if any changes in username edit box in future, suppose that element name changed after 4th or 5th version, you no need to open any test case. Just open object repository, edit the username edit box information that can be automatically reflected to all associated test cases. This is the advantage of object repositories. Komalata. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Element information reusability. Code reusability. For code reusability, we use functions, reusable functions. In our Java terminology, methods. Getting? Now tell me, what is the advantage of object repositories in automated testing, especially in functional automated testing or automated functional testing? Komalata. Muhammad Kali.
Sir, reusability of element basically, and reduce the size of the code. In other words,
Reducing code of the size is not the primary advantage of having object repositories. See, reusing elements information. Second one, centralized maintenance of elements. Okay.
yes,
So
sir.
far, we created some test cases. We didn't use object repositories. Already I told Sonu Pathak in first chapter, initial chapters, Selenium WebDriver doesn't have built-in object repository. For that, we need to use this page object model solution. If it is UFT, that is commercial tool, UFT has object repositories, built-in object repositories. Okay, there are two types of repositories: local repositories for recorded script, shared repositories for manually created script. Anyhow, UFT, RFT have object repositories, built-in object repositories. But our Selenium WebDriver is an API, no user interface, no built-in features for almost all. Everything we need to write the code. Okay. Any problem? Sai Pranati. We create.
No, sir.
We create object repositories. We create object repositories for reusing object. See, object is UFT term in our Selenium we call element, edit box, button, link, etc. These are synonyms. Object or element. objects for reusing. Objects are elements. Leave it. Objects are elements, and for centralized maintenance. Centralized maintenance of elements or objects. Elements are objects. Okay, now Muhammad Khalid.
Yes, sir.
Under this PO, short form is PO. PO stands for Page Object Model. Container classes. Container classes is nothing but object repositories. Container classes for web elements are created that behave as object repositories. Next, we can create home in two ways. Both are not required. You can follow any one. In our training program, we will discuss first method, POM, without page factory. See, we can create home in two ways. First one is home page object model without page factory. Next, POM with page factory. Observe Patak. Under this POM, page object model, for each web page, there should be corresponding page class. There should be corresponding page class. The page class finds the web elements of the web page, and also contains customized commands. What are the customized commands? I will show. Customized commands which perform actions on web elements. Actions on web elements. Okay. Next, here observe one small case study, Muhammad Khalid. Suppose in our web application, some 10 pages are there, 10 or 20 or 40, forget about the count. Suppose in our web application, 10 pages are there. First login page, in that login page some elements are there, username 8 box, password 8 box, sign in button, etc. Next, second page, third page, fourth page, all 10 pages are having nearly 170 elements or 200 elements. If you create page class, nothing but object repository for every page, then you can reuse the page class for creating test cases. Suppose I created page class or object repository for login page. In that login page, 20 elements are there. Using that 20 elements information, I created page class. Based on that login page, we are going to create 10 or 20 test cases. For that 10 or 20 test cases, we can reuse these elements information.
Yes, sir.
See, implementing page object model. Page object model. See, in this approach, all pages of the application, all pages of the pages means web pages, all pages of the application and user actions after getting the after receiving the example, you can get more clarity. And user actions on web elements are maintained as methods by importing the page class. We can create test cases. Observe Sai Pranti. Creating page class. A page class nothing but object repository. See, no object repository term in Selenium. Page class nothing but object repository. Okay. Launch our login page of user admin interface of the application. Just a minute. /project. Just a minute. Project /admin. Oh, what is the problem? Not Google. You see the data. Oh. Just a minute.
Sir, remove .com. There are 2 times. Yeah.
Okay. In this page, some elements are objects available. Username 8 box, password 8 box, login button, online catalog link, GCR, shop, image, etc. Next, I want to create object repository or page class using username, password, login button, online catalog link, and error message. 5 elements. Okay. Create page class. Launch Eclipse IDE. Before that, observe Sai Pranati. Yesterday, we created batch test case now. Batch test case. Due to that incorrect expected, I think, instead of HTTP, I used HTTPS. So we got failed status. Now I'm using correct expected. It will pass. All test cases will pass. Run the code. Batch test case. Yesterday we created. First test case, admin login with valid input. Second test case, admin login with invalid input, negative test case. Next, third test case, page redirection functionality after login. After login successful, user interface. Observe Kamlata. First test case, admin login is successful, passed. Second test case, admin login unsuccessful, but showing correct error message passed. Next, third one, page redirected from admin to user interface passed. All test cases passed na?
Yes, sir. Pass, sir, all test cases.
Now create page class. Select Java package and right click, new class. Suppose I am going to create object repository for login page. Class name, login page. No, main method is not required. We are not going to execute that class, reusing that class. Okay, login page. Here I am introducing constructor. Constructor. Do you have any idea about constructor? Sonapata.
Yes, sir.
A constructor is a block of code. Java block of code. Block of code. Suppose if condition is block, for loop is block. Suppose system.out.println. The statement is not block. That is normal statement. Getting it? Next method. Method is block. Condition is block. Loop is block. Same way, a constructor in Java is a block of code similar to a method, but some difference is there. Similar to a method. Now you tell me, you are going to tell something about constructor. Sonapatak, tell me.
So same thing. Its name is name of constructor is same as like class name.
Class name, that is rule. Name of the constructor
Yes,
is same like class name. That is rule. Okay. I am declaring WebDriver. Observe Muhammad Khalid. I think you are new to constructor. WebDriver. Driver. I just declared WebDriver. Not create a driver object. Import WebDriver. Okay. Next. Create constructor. What is constructor? A constructor. Java constructor. Constructor belongs to Java. A constructor is a constructor in Java. A constructor in Java is a block of code. Code blocks enclosed with curly braces in Java. A constructor in Java is a block of code similar to method, similar to a method. Next, here we use this keyword. This keyword invokes an instance of current class constructor that is called an instance created. Just a minute. invokes. Why it is showing? Just invokes an instance. I didn't comments.
Yeah,
I
remove is,
didn't.
sir. Is.
I didn't use comment symbol. Now the public creating constructor. Public. Public is access modifier. Next, constructor name. Login page. I already told. Constructor name should be same as class name. Next, argument. WebDriver, driver. Open curly braces. Next, this dot driver equals to driver. Try to understand this code, Komalata. Here, this is the syntax of creating constructor as like method. Constructor name should be same as class name. Next, here I used one argument. What is the type of argument? WebDriver. Earlier, Muhammad Khalil. Earlier we created some arguments now. String, username, string password, etc. What is the username? Data type. Username is argument, for example. What is the data type? Komalata.
WebDriver.
String, sir.
String. Suppose password is argument name. What is the
String,
data
sir.
type? String.
String again, sir.
Here, driver is argument. What is the type of driver?
WebDriver is the
WebDriver.
type of.
WebDriver is the type. WebDriver is the type. Just a minute. For better
So
understanding.
there is no.
For better understanding.
Sorry, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, there is no return type in this. Like when we made constructor, there is no void or like any return type. We don't
For
mention.
return type not required. Here, constructor purpose is entire different. Observe. No return type. Observe. Suppose this is current class WebDriver. Suppose page class driver. This is page class driver. This is
Page class driver.
argument driver. Now try to understand. Earlier I used driver for everyone. Yeah, every driver. That can work. But now observe. Page class driver. This dot page class driver equals to argument driver. Just a minute, what happened? Argument driver. Now what will happen? Type Pranati. Argument driver. Suppose I create driver in next class, test case class. If I provide that driver as argument, then that test case class driver equals to page class driver. Means we can reuse this page class in test case class. Komalata, understand? Or any problem?
Clear, sir. Understood, sir.
What about you, Muhammad Khalil?
Well, I'm getting it, sir. I'm
Okay.
seeing what you're doing. Yeah, we'll see in the examples more.
Now observe page in test case example, page class driver equals to argument driver type penalty. What is argument? Suppose if you create next class, test case class, if you provide that second class driver as argument, then it will invoke this page class into test case class. Then you can reuse this page class element information. Now tell me, Sonu Pathak, you are trying to ask something. Ask me.
Sir, if we are passing the page class driver and argument driver, then what's the point? We can just keep it as driver, just one name.
Yes, you can use, no problem. But for understanding, readability, I use that one. I use this one. Charger, you can use driver.
But they are same.
Same. Same, no problem.
So, sir, why we are using this page class driver is equal to driver, this line number 12? Why are we using this?
Observe, current coding. This driver is current class web driver. Color coding. Light blue
Yes, sir.
color.
Yes, sir.
Next, this driver is argument. It accepts.
Okay.
Left side driver is current class web driver. Right side driver is
Argument driver.
argument driver. It accepts. See, the color coding is different. Based on the position, it can accept. Here, no duplicate concept. This is not variable or something. Here, no duplicate concept. First of all, this driver not belongs to Java.
Argument driver, sir.
What?
Argument driver does not belong to Java.
Argument driver also not argument driver. We are using Java syntax. Java syntax, but not Java concept. Observe. Suppose string driver. String belongs to Java. Here web driver. Is web driver belongs to Java?
No, sir.
So web driver argument not belongs to Java, but we are using Java syntax, but web driver not belongs to Java. That's why it accepts.
Right, sir. Okay.
It accepts, but for better understanding, differentiate these two drivers. Other type nothing. In this class, we have two drivers. Observing first statement, left side driver, blue color, light blue color coding. Left side driver is current class driver, login page class driver. Right side driver is argument driver. Suppose in next class, if you create object and pass next class driver as argument, then next class driver equals to this dot current class driver. Means it invokes this class in next class. Means you can reuse this class information in next class. Try to understand Muhammad Khalil.
Yes, sir.
For better understand, I will use this is page class or current class. Page class driver. This is argument driver. Left side, right side, argument driver. Left side, page class driver. What is the value for argument? Where is the value for argument?
No value, sir.
In second class, if you create driver, you can pass that driver as argument. Getting? Komalata.
Yes, sir.
Sir, tell me, sir.
Where is the value for argument driver?
Sir, one more time question, please, sir.
That is question only. Okay, Mahankal. That is question only. See,
I'm not able to hear.
I am using argument driver.
What is that, sir? Come again. Voice is breaking from me, sir.
My wife, is my wife breaking Sona Pathak?
I have
Not really, sir.
background noise. I have background noise, sir, so
Okay.
I'm not able to.
Here I am using argument driver. Argument. This is argument.
Yes, sir.
There is argument driver. It is basically the argument. Where is the value for this argument? We need to provide argument for the. We need to provide value for the argument when calling now.
Yes, sir.
Where is the value?
Sir, I don't know, sir. Sorry, sir.
Sona Pathak, where is the value? I told 2 times.
Web
We
driver?
have to declare, sir.
See, if you create another class, next class, that is the test case class, in that class you create web driver. If you pass that test case class driver as argument, then you can invoke this page class in your test case class. Any problem?
Yes, sir. And its value become equal to argument driver.
Pardon?
And its value becomes equal to argument driver.
Test case
Of that
class
class.
driver. Test case class driver becomes argument driver.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you create 3 test cases, you can use first test case driver as argument, then you can reuse this page class information in first test case. Suppose if you use second test case driver also as argument in second test case, you can reuse this page class information in second class also. Getting?
Yes, sir.
In test case class, you can get more clarity. Observe side product. Here we use 2 drivers. One is page class driver, another is argument driver. If you pass test case driver as argument, test case class driver as argument, then you can invoke this page class into your test case class and reuse this class info. Next, observe this point carefully. Create elements information using element locators. Element locators. Observe Muhammad Khalid. Here we planned 5 objects now, 5 elements now. Suppose
Yes, sir.
5 username. It is user defined. Username, you can use any meaningful name, equals to by dot
Name.
name locator value username semicolon. This is the syntax. In your test case, instead of this information by dot name of username, you can use just username now.
Yes, sir.
Just the username. You don't need to write. Suppose I want to write four test cases using this element. For any test case, I can just use username. Username means by dot name username. Not only username. Suppose I am using uname. Instead of this element information, I can just use uname in my test case. Sonopata. Is it okay?
Sir, you have to use by also in front of it every time?
Yes, that is syntax.
Okay.
That is syntax. We need to follow the syntax. We can't argue syntaxes. Uname. Or you can use XYZ also. It is also correct. But try to use meaningful names. See, username. Next, create element info for password by is predefined library from Selenium. By password equals to
By dot name.
By dot name.
name name locator value
Password.
password. Next, instead of by dot name of password, you can just use password in your test cases. Multiple test cases, no problem. By suppose login button. All of you put mute except Sai Pranati. Sai Pranati, create object info for login button.
By dot.
By dot. Earlier, several times, we inspected ID na. We selected ID na.
Yes, sir. By dot ID.
ID, TD, B1, I think.
B1.
Next, instead of by dot ID of TD, B1, you can use just login button. Next, you only continue Sai Pranati. Suppose online catalog. You can use small names also, no problem. Online catalog link. You can use small names also. 3 digit, 2 digit also. 2 letters also.
By dot
By dot.
ID.
It is link na. Link text you can use na.
Link text. Yes,
Link text. Regularly we are using link text na. Link text value, that visible text. Online catalog. Now instead of by dot link text of online catalog, you can use just this name, online catalog link. Next, Komalata, by error message equals to just inspect this one. Class name available. Now tell me, Komalata, create element info for this element. Komalata not responding. You continue, Muhammad Khalil.
Sir, by dot
By dot
class name
of means open
quotation. Yeah, open kar diya. And yeah, message tag error semicolon.
semicolon. This is about creating elements information using element locators. Now instead of by dot class name of message take error, you can use just this error message Sai Pranati. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Next observe. I'm creating customized commands also. Customized commands. customized commands. For this one also use method syntax. Method syntax. Observe public void return type nothing. Suppose type username. Type username. Open curly braces. Page class driver. Page class driver. Observe the statement carefully. Page class driver dot find element. Find element. We use username na. No need to write
Yes, sir.
Yes,
etc.
sir.
Just
Yes,
username.
sir.
Use
Just
name.
username. Dot send keys.
Send keys.
Send keys of value. Now observe Muhammad Karim, try to understand. Here type username. Type username. It is my command. Customized command. I only define this command. Here type username means, what is the meaning of type username? Identify the element. Identify the username element. Perform send keys action on the element. Instead of this entire statement, generally what is our statement? Driver dot find element of by dot name of username dot send keys of value. Instead of that entire one, if I use just type username, then it recognizes or locates the element and perform the action on the element now.
Yes, sir. Correct.
See, simple. This customized command is having locating element and performing action on the element. Action on the element. Here I am using just a hard coded value Muhammad Kalim. Suppose if I use like this, suppose I want to use this type username command for admin login functionality test case. I can use. Anyhow, valid input. Suppose I want to reuse this type username command for negative test case, invalid input. For that, I need to edit the information in page class now. Suppose
Yes, sir.
if I edit this one, it can't be used for valid login functionality now.
Yes, sir.
Observe my problem.
Yes, sir.
Sonapata. Suppose type username. It is for locating username edit box and performing action on the edit box. Suppose if I use this command in admin login functionality, it can work. I am using valid input. Suppose I want
Yes,
to reuse this same command in error message test case, then I want to provide invalid input. How to provide?
Then you have to change this page class again.
Change the page class.
Send keys.
If you execute
Yes.
login test case, then login test case won't work now.
No, it will not work. Yes, sir.
At a time, both test cases won't work now.
Yes, sir.
For that, use argument here. Suppose string uname. String uname. This is the power of argument. Then what will happen? What will happen, Sonapatak? Suppose if you are using this type username command in login test case, then you provide valid input dynamically. Suppose if you want to use this type username command in error message test case, there you can provide invalid input dynamically. So both test cases will work at a time now.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Komalata,
Sir?
any problem?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm
What
fine,
about
sir.
you, Sai Pranati? Are you getting this point? If you use the hard coded value, this command may be used
Yes, sir.
only one test case, positive test case. If I want to use this command for positive test cases and negative test cases, instead of hard coded value, use argument. Then you can provide the data dynamically when reading your test cases. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Now observe Muhammad Khalid.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I want to perform send keys action, means entering a value into a box. I can use this type username command. Okay, anyhow, primary action and edit box is entering a value. Primary action on a button is click. Primary action on a link is click. But in some test cases, I want to perform some other action also. Suppose type username okay. In one test case, Sono pata hai, I want to capture the data from username. For that, we are using get attribute of value. I can't use this type username command for the capturing username now. Suppose if I want to perform send keys action on this element, I can use type username command. But I don't want to perform send keys action. I want to perform clear action. Second difference, clear action. Generally, we perform primary action send keys only. But in one test case, my requirement is data already there in an edit box. I want to capture that data. For that, I can't use this command now. So
Why not, sir? We can.
I
No, sir. Whatever way.
Suppose just a minute. Suppose in one test case, suppose login functionality test case, I want to enter data. For that, you can use this type username command. Suppose in another test case, I want to capture the data from username edit box. Data already there. I want to capture the data from username edit box. Or I want to clear the data from username edit box. For that, can I use this command?
No, sir. If there is no username value, then we cannot use this.
No. This command is for only entering a value.
Dynamic put. Yes, for passing the dynamic value.
Here, no
Name.
issue with the dynamic. You are not getting. Suppose on edit box, what is the primary action? On
Entering the username value.
anywhere, entering a value.
In username box, sorry, sir.
Just a minute. Enter a value. This is primary action. For that, you can use that type username command for this edit box. Suppose most of the time we use primary actions only. Suppose in one test case, I want to clear the value. Clear the value. Value already there. I want to clear the value. For that, can I use this type username command?
No. No,
For
sir.
that, you need to create one more command. If required,
Yes.
generally we perform primary actions only. Suppose in any one test case, if you want to perform another type of action, create one more method in page class. Suppose these are not frequent use, rare use. Public void suppose capture username, no arguments required, capture username. Tell me the statement for this capture username command. Change class driver
Dot
dot find element
clear, sir?
Username
Dot
dot
get text.
get attribute of value semicolon. It returns the data. It returns data string, suppose val. String val. Remove this void. We are returning the data na.
Yes, sir.
This type is string. This method type is string. Add return statement. You need to add return statement. Okay na? For clear, one more different action. Edit box. Sort pattern. Clear. Write command for clear. If required, you can use. But most of the time, we may use the send keys only. Suppose
Yes, sir.
for clearing the edit box. Write a command.
Public void clear username.
Void, suppose clear username, open and close parenthesis, open
Page
curly
class
braces. Page class driver, page class driver
Dot find element
dot find element
username
username.
dot clear.
Here small username it is.
So use USENAME.
Username, just a minute. Username.
Then you need to change line number 28 as well. Okay.
Okay. Dot clear. It is only for understanding, but most of the time we may use primary actions only. Next, Sai Pranati, create customized command for password box.
Sir, I have a quick question, sir.
Tell me.
So we are using clear username, but just in case if I want to clear email ID, so I have to create another constructor, sir.
If you want to create,
Do I have to? If I want to clear email ID also, sir, clearing of email ID,
where
then I
is
have
email
to.
ID? Where is that email ID element?
No, just in case, sir, because there are four elements, sir. So right now I'm using the username, but if I want to clear the username, I mean like the Gmail email address as well.
You want to clear Gmail, you want to clear email ID, you create command for that email ID.
Okay, sir, and clear also the same way.
Yes.
Clear email ID. Okay, sir.
Clear
Every
email.
element.
For every element. Here is different now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay, got it, sir.
This is clearing first edge box, clearing second edge box, same method. Clearing third edge box,
Yes.
same method.
Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Continue Sai Pranati. Type password command. Public void, suppose type password, open curly braces. Next, public class driver, page class driver
Dot find element.
Dot find element.
Password.
This one. Password. Password. Dot.
Dot
Ah.
send keys of.
Send keys of. Suppose our value is temp at 2020. Instead of hard coded value, if you use argument for this value, then you can pass the dynamic value by creating your test case now.
Yes, sir. String.
String, suppose PWD, any meaningful. Here, PWD. Okay. Now observe, Komalata earlier was Karna. Another 8 box is there. If I want to clear the data from another 8 box, same way. Suppose here in
Yes,
this
sir.
password also 8 box now.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you want to clear the data from password 8 box, earlier clearing username 8 box, clearing username 8 box. Next, if you want to clear password box, how to clear?
Public void,
Public
void,
void
clear
clear
password,
clear password. Clear password. Open and close parenthesis. Open curly braces. Next,
page,
just
class driver,
page class driver means this current class
Dot.
driver. Dot
find element,
find element.
password,
Password.
dot clear.
That's it. Password.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Dot clear. Suppose if you want to clear data from another 8 box, that is email
Clear.
8 box, same way.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Same way. Next, Mohammed Khalid, write customized command for login button. We can create multiple customized commands also for elements Sonopata. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
We are creating multiple commands now for send keys one command, clearing one command, capturing data one command. But most of the time we may use primary actions. Suppose username 8 box. What is the primary action? Send keys. Suppose button, primary action click. Write a command for clicking our login button. Muhammad Khalid.
Public void
Void.
click login button,
Click.
open close brace, login button.
Click login button. Open and close parenthesis. Open curly braces.
Curly braces.
Next.
Then page class driver, sir.
Page class driver. See, for reliability point of view, I am using page class driver. Otherwise, you can create just a driver. Just a driver.
Yes, sir.
Page class driver. What is the element in
Dot find element.
login button? Okay.
Login button.
Dot find element.
Dot find element.
Dot find element of this info.
Login button. Yes, sir. Dot click.
Here, if you use click login button in your test case, what's the meaning? It identifies the element and perform click action on the element. Okay, na? With a single keyword, we are performing locating element and performing action on the element. Next, Sonopata, create customized command for this is one-time activity. Sonopata. Once you create page class, nothing but object repository, you can reuse that page class a number of times. Create create customized command for online catalog link. Online catalog link. Sonapata, are you there?
Public string.
Public.
You want to capture the error message, right, sir?
What I am telling, what you are answering. What was my question?
Clicking on the catalog error. Okay, sir. Public void.
Suppose click link.
Catalog.
Online catalog link. You can write meaningful name. Next.
Page class driver.
Page class driver. Page class driver. Dot find element. Find element.
Log on online catalog.
Element information we define na. Online catalog.
It was coming there.
Online catalog link. We already identified that. Online
Yes, sir,
catalog
online
link.
catalog link.
Dot
Click.
click. Just a minute. Dot click. Now, click link means identifying the online catalog link and perform click action on that link. Next, last command for this page, Sai Pranati. Create customized command for capturing error message. Actually, primary action on error message is capturing only. Generally, we capture error messages and compare with expected. Create customized command for capturing the error message. Sai Pranati.
Public void.
Public.
Void.
Why? We are capturing data. The data is string data. We have to return string na. So, command return type.
String.
String. Suppose capture error message. Open and close parenthesis. Open curly braces.
Page class driver.
Page class driver. Just a minute. Dot find element. We already identified that one. That is error message. No need to write by dot class name. Just error message. Dot get text good. Get text for error messages. Where is that get text? Last one. Okay. Next, we need to return the return is Java branching statement. Return. Oh, yeah, we need to store it to variable.
Yes, store it into the value.
Suppose string
Well,
message or here return message. Put mute side and some nice from your voice device. Like this, we can create customized commands. Komalata, getting?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Here in this page class, we created constructor. Just 2 lines. Constructor. After creating constructor, 2 important parts of our class, Mohammed Khalil. One is first create elements info using element locators. Next, create customized commands. Then you can reuse this information in your test case classes. Okay. Next, based on this page class, I am planning 3 test cases. Observe. Create page class using username, edit box, username edit box. Next, password edit box. Next, login. Just login button. Next, online catalog, link, and error message. Error message. This is the page class. This is the page class. We are not going to exclude this page class. We are just creating elements info and customized commands. Next, use this page class as object repository. Next, create test cases. You can reuse that information. Create test cases. Based on that page class, you can create number of test cases. I am planning 3 test cases. Suppose verify, admin login, verify, admin login. Next, verify, error message, Next, verify, page redirection. Okay. Observe Muhammad Khalid. First I am taking verify admin login. Okay. Suppose I am creating one class, Java class. Select package and right click new. Suppose class. Here you can use admin login as class name. Admin login as class name. Instead of that, for better understanding for this class only, actually try to use admin login only. I am writing just test case 1. Test case 1. Test case 1. Generate main method. Here also you can use driver, just a driver. Sonupata, just a driver. But for better understanding, I am using test case driver. Okay. First, instantiate the browser driver. System dot set property WebDriver dot browser type Chrome dot driver. Next value. We have another test case, batch test case. Where is the batch test case? Sample Java. This Otherwise, you can copy from your hard disk. Suppose test case one driver. Semicolon. Semicolon. Suppose create web driver. Web driver. Suppose this. You can use a driver. Just a driver, Sai Pranati. Just a driver. But for better understandability, I am using, suppose, test case one driver. Test case one driver equals to new Chrome driver, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. Import Chrome driver, import web driver, import web driver. Now Sai Pranati, create object using page class. Earlier we created objects using home class as well as predefined classes, scanner, file grader, etc. Now you create object using page class. No inheritance required. These two classes available in same package. Create object using login page class. Class name,
Login page.
Suppose object name login equals to new
login page.
New login page of provide argument. Here observe the constructor.
This is sample Java, sir.
Just a minute. This is sample Java. Close it. Confuse. Observe. Constructor. Here argument driver. Test case class driver as argument. What is the test case driver? This is
Argument driver.
Now you can now test case one driver equals to page class driver. You can reuse this one.
Yes.
Next, create your test case. Create admin login test case. First, launch the application. For launching the application, no relation with the element na. For launching application, no relation with element. Here, maximize the browser window after creating this one. Test case one driver. Test case one driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Next, launch our admin interface home page. Here, for this launching application or launching a web page, no relation with element. So use current class driver only. Test case class one driver dot get take the admin interface of the application, admin interface up to login PHP. No relation for this 15th line, no relation with element. Next, enter user name, relation with element. enter password relation with element. For that use this object login. Login dot what is the customer command? Type username. Type username means it locates username 8 box and perform action on the 8 box. Action on the 8 box, not GC. But you need to provide the data dynamically.
Yes, yes, yes.
Next, login dot type password. Type password. See, temp at 2020. Observe Muhammad Kalim. We are simplifying the code as well as reusing the elements now.
Yes, sir. I noticed, sir.
Login dot what is that? Click login button.
Click login button.
Click login button. Next, these 3 elements. Okay. Next, capture the current URL, string URL. The statement is not related to element, so use current class driver. This reusability only for elements. Dot get current URL. Next, insert verification point A. URL dot equals index page. This is login page. Open curly braces. Next, system dot out dot println. Suppose admin login is successful. Status of the result passed. Close if block, open else block. Next, admin login is unsuccessful, failed. Admin login is unsuccessful. Status of the result, failed. Next.
Sir, you are going to change the index PHP, sir. Login PHP is right, sir, or index PHP?
Yes, index only. Good observation. Index. Good. Next, after closing else block, driver dot close. For the statement, no relation with the element. So, test case one driver dot close. Observe Sonu Pathak. We reused elements info and customized commands. Run the test case. Maximize the browser window. What happened? Sonu Pathak.
Admin login successful.
Pass. Now Muhammad Khalil
Yes, sir.
create error message test case. We have object repository. We can reuse. See, verify. Here I planned only 3 test cases. You can plan some more test cases also. Suppose verify admin login. For admin login functionality also, we require username, password, and login button. Functionality like that. First 3 I will explain. You try 4th one. Second one, verify. For second one, this one over. Admin login over. Notes I will provide. Verify error message. Create one more test case. Select package and right click new class. Here you can create error message. But for clear understanding, I am using test case 2. Generate main method. Create error message test case and reuse login page class information. First create the statement instantiation.
So can't we make like for instantiation also we can make a like repository?
No. Repository only for elements information.
Okay, sir.
Elements information. Say for this one, we create one common script in framework and we call this common script for
Yes, sir.
but we can't include the script in page class object repository. Why? Here no relation with the element now.
Yes, sir. True.
Continue. Muhammad Khalil.
Yes, sir. So, sir, we need to do the web driver.
Just a minute. Just a case 2. Create web driver. Create driver object. Web driver.
Test case 2.
Test
case driver.
Test case 2 driver. Otherwise, you can use just a driver, no problem. No duplicate concept.
Equal to new Chrome driver.
New Chrome driver. Open and close parenthesis. Semicolon. Okay. Import Chrome driver. Import web driver. Web driver library. Next, maximize the browser window.
Test case 2 driver. Yep. Dot manage. Dot window. Dot maximize.
Dot maximize. Okay. Next, create object using login page class.
Yes, sir. So login page.
Login page.
Login.
Suppose login or this test case is error message na.
Yes, sir. Error message.
Error message. You can use any meaningful name. Equal to
new error message.
You can use login also, no problem. See, object name you can use login also, but ours is message test case.
New login page.
New login page. Next, pass the test case driver as argument.
Test case 2.
Test case 2 driver.
Yeah, test case 2 driver.
2 driver, yes, sir.
Now try to understand the constructor once again. Sonupatak. Based on this argument driver equals to page class driver na. It will invoke this page class into test case classes.
Yes, sir.
We can invoke this class into n number of classes by creating object, by providing the current class driver as argument. Continue. Next. Next, create error message test case. Create error message test case. First, launch the web page. The
Yes, sir.
statement having no relation with the element. So use test case driver, to driver get
Message.
Website name, URL.
web page URL. Okay. Next, enter invalid username. Your object
Okay.
is e-message.
E-message.
E-message dot
Error
type
message.
your type username.
Username.
Type username.
Type user.
Yes.
Type username. Suppose here I am using invalid ABCD XYZ. Now observe Sonu Pathak. I am reusing this type username for valid test cases and invalid test cases only because of
Page class driver, sir.
argument,
Argument driver.
not driver.
Yes.
Argument. If you don't use argument hard-coded value, it can be used for only one test case.
One case. Yes, sir.
Suppose you use argument for this customized command, then you can pass the data dynamically while creating your test case. That is the advantage
Yes,
of
sir.
argument. Next, means I am reusing this type username command for positive testing and negative testing.
Sir.
E-message dot type password. Suppose I am using invalid data. Temp at 0000. Here also I used argument. Next,
E-message
dot click login button. Click login button. Just a minute. Click login button. Okay. Next, after clicking the login button, capture the error message. Capture the error message. Suppose string error message equals to
E-message dot.
E-message.
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 E-message dot e-message dot. We already created customized command now.
Yeah.
We have created.
Capture
Error.
error message. It will return the data to this current class string. If error mess dot contains you take the expected. We need to collect this type of expected from developers. By exploring the application, I am getting that one. It's not the proper way. If you get what is this additional info? If you get proper error message, then pass. Open curly braces. System.out.println. Suppose you can write meaningful message. Admin login unsuccessful and providing correct error message. Pass. Next, else admin login successful or unsuccessful, but not getting correct error message, so fail. Next, close the browser window. Here no relation with the element, so use test cache screwdriver. Relation with the browser only. Dot close. Dot close. Next, main method close, class close. Main method close, class close. Run the test case. Maximize the browser window. Observe Muhammad Khalid. What is the output?
Pass.
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 Okay, now. Next, third test case, last test case for the day. You come Sai Pranati Academy. You have object repository, nothing but page class. You can reuse elements and create your test case. For the third test case, verify page redirection after login. Verify page redirecting functionality after login. After login. Guide means site Pranati. Guide me. Select package and right click new class. Suppose test case 3. Site Pranati, are you there? Site Pranati not responding. You come Komalata.
Yes, sir.
You get
Create
it
the
for
class.
this test case.
Yes,
Just
sir. Main.
generate main method. Okay. Next, instantiate the browser window. Instantiate the browser driver file. Browser driver executable file. exe file. Next, create driver object for this test case 3 class. Web driver.
Web driver.
Next,
Test.
test case 3. You can use just a driver also.
Yes,
Just
sir.
a driver also.
Test
Test
case 3 driver
driver equals to new Chrome. New Chrome driver open and close parenthesis semicolon.
Semicolon.
Next, import web driver library. Import Chrome driver library.
Chrome driver library.
Next, maximize the browser window.
Test case 3 driver dot
Test case 3 driver dot
manage
dot window
dot maximum.
window dot maximize.
Maximize.
Next, create object using login page class. See, login page.
Login page.
Suppose you can use any meaningful name. Redirect
Redirect
equals to new login page. Pass current class driver as argument. What is the current class driver?
test case 3 driver.
3 driver. Now observe Sonu Pathak. We are passing arguments based on the classes now.
Yes, sir.
That is the purpose of argument. Argument in constructor.
Java.
Next, test case 3 driver. Create page redirection test case. Page redirection test case. First launching application na use driver. The statement doesn't have any relation with the element. Driver dot get
Fine. Get.
Get.
Yes, sir.
launch the
URL.
this page, admin interface, home page, or you can say login page. Login page. Okay. Next, enter valid username. After successful login only, you need to click the online catalog link. Online catalog link. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First,
Yes, dear.
enter valid username. See redirect dot type username. अगर दोनों पता है advantage of arguments. This time I am providing valid. Next, redirect dot type password. Suppose valid temp at 2020. Next, redirect dot click login button. After clicking, definitely you can get index page. Index page sono pata hai. Write general condition. If you get index page, then click redirect link. Click online catalog link. Otherwise, don't do that. So one way condition. Before that, capture the URL string. URL equals to test case tree driver dot get current URL. Get current URL. Next, tell me the statement. General condition. If URL 2 dot contains index page. If you get index page, then what is the meaning? What is the meaning? Login successful. After login successful only, click on online catalog link. See, index page. Open curly braces. Next. If you get
System dot
index
print
page,
out.
what is system dot? If you get index page,
Successful, sir. Like
no. Suno pata hai.
Page redirection is successful.
What is successful? Redirect dot.
No, you want to print.
Why printing? Just a minute. This is general condition.
You are
It is not verification point. It is not verification point. It is general condition. Yeah. Observe the meaning of this one. Observe the meaning.
yes, sir.
It is showing this one. Online catalog link. Not online catalog. Click link. Customer is command. Click link. Click link. Yeah. That's it. Other term for that. If index page opens, what is the meaning? Login successful. After login successful only, you can get index page. If index page launches, then online catalog link. Otherwise, don't click. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is general
Now you can
condition.
enter verification.
That is general condition, not verification. Next we will write verification. After that, after clicking the online catalog link, again capture the URL. This time it is user interface URL. Test case 3 driver dot get current URL. Now write verification point Komalata. Any confusion Komalata?
No confusion, sir. Yes.
Say 23rd line if statement. That is general condition, not verification point. Next 28th line if condition is verification point.
Okay, sir.
URL 2 dot contains or you can write equals also, no problem. Dot
Equals.
equals just a minute. Dot equals what is the user interface URL up to project only. Up to project only. Open curly braces. And next you can write meaningful message. System.out.println. See. Page is redirected to user interface. Status of the result
Pass.
passed. Next, open close if block, open else block. Next, page is not redirected. Page is not redirected. Redirected to user interface. Status of the result failed. Next, close else block, close the browser window. Test case 3 driver, test case 3 driver, dot close. 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 Next, main method close, class close. Run the test case. Maximize the browser window. Login successful. Click online catalog link to the interface. Now observe Sonapatak. Page is redirected to user interface path na.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you use invalid input, then definitely login should fail. If login fails, don't click. If login fails, don't click on. Suppose A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. If login fails, it won't click on online catalog link. We use the general condition. So you will get failed status only.
Failed.
Failed.
Yes.
Run the code. Maximize the browser window. Observe, page is not redirected to user interface failed. Why login failed na? It didn't click on online catalog link. Suppose if you use valid input, this test case is flexible. If you use valid input, this time it will pass. Run the code. Maximize the browser window. User interface. What happened, Muhammad Khalil? Page is redirected to user interface passes now.
Yes, sir.
This is about card test case. Now observe. Notes I will send. Login page we created with constructor. In this login page we created elements, information and customized commands. What is the advantage of customized commands? If you create only elements info, if you create only elements info, then again you need to perform action on the element in your test case, na?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you create customized command with the action also, then you can use that command for locating the element and performing the action on the element. Both, na?
Yes, sir.
So created elements information. With that element information created customized command. Observe, these both are not different. Komalata. How we created customized elements, customized commands. How we created customized commands based on these elements info only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
for creating customized commands, source is elements info only.
Yes, sir. We need elements information. Yes, sir.
Next, using the customized commands, we created number of test cases. I
Yes,
used
sir.
arguments in customized commands, so I parsed data dynamically
Dynamic value.
for
Yes, sir.
positive test cases and negative test cases. This is about page object model in Selenium. Any queries regarding this today's class? First, Sonu Pathak.
No, sir. Thank you so much. It was really good.
Welcome. And one more thing. After the class, you practice. If you find any query, mail me. Then I will answer it. Next.
Yes, sir.
Welcome. Komalata.
I'm good, sir. I need to practice, sir.
Welcome. Sai Pranati.
Thank you, sir.
Sai Pranati not responding. Muhammad Khalil.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
I will practice tomorrow.
Okay,
Sure.
practice. Okay, we will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.